What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Cops Give Accused Woman Beater a Taste of Her Own Medicine." Ooh, wait. So we're gonna have a case where somebody gonna get some act right. Let's get into it.
This man is accused of beating his girlfriend.
Why are y'all here for me?
But officers are about to show him what it feels like to be manhandled. After arriving at the hospital with a bloody nose, this man's girlfriend decided to report him. Cops must now figure out who is telling the truth.
You go ahead. What's going on, man?
Hey, what's up?
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. My name is Deputy Williams with the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office. You got a girlfriend?
Don't have a girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Emily Nichols.
Emily Nichols? Okay. She's staying here with you?
Yeah, she's not here. She's in the hospital.
Yeah. What happened?
So, she hit me, scratched my neck. But when I turned around, I accidentally elbowed her in her nose, and her nose started leaking.
Okay.
So, instead of putting pressure on her nose, she called the ambulance.
Okay.
But
Where'd
I
she
don't
scratch your
know.
neck at, brother?
I don't know if she's going to, I don't know if she's coming back or not, and I don't want her to,
Okay.
because she is too aggressive, and when she doesn't get her way,
Okay.
she does the most and the extra for no reason, and it was because I was helping somebody out, and giving shoes to her. She wanted to grab the backpack. So when I yanked the backpack from her and scratched her hand or whatever it was, she just kept grabbing the backpack. So I let her have the backpack. So then she goes and closes the door and locks the door, and then fucking proceeds to actually hit me in my back of my neck. And when I turn around like that, I elbow her and she starts leaking, but I didn't know she was going to bleed.
She did go to the hospital. Okay. I went and talked to her at the hospital. Okay. She's saying that she was trying to get a bug off your neck, and you turned around.
Can I get a witness? Can I go with a witness, please?
Did you smack him on the side of the neck?
It was because I saw a mosquito. I was trying to get it. I saw it. It was quite big. I was getting it, and then he thought
Nah, come on now. Come on. Now he dead wrong for elbowing her and all up in here. Now you dead wrong. But like, do we really believe she was trying to get a mosquito? So that's why she touched his neck. Are we really believing that? I don't know.
slapped him. But my fingers there and tapped. I didn't slap him, like a physical slap. So the mosquito, I got it,
Okay.
and then he punched me in my nose.
Okay. Where's the witness at?
He's in 207. He's in 207.
Do that, okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to have you sit in the backseat of my car. Okay?
That we confirm.
Come on,
we're
man.
not saying we're not saying you're necessarily in trouble. We're just going to confirm your story.
Yeah.
If you confirm your story, then you won't be in trouble. Sound good?
So why am I getting in trouble?
You're not in trouble.
No, I'm just saying. Well, why am I getting? Why are y'all here for me?
Because she called the police,
She called it ambulance.
and they should call the police. So this is what we're going to do, Kevin. I'm going to have you.
That's fucking crazy, man. Because this is the second fucking time.
Kevin, I'm going to have you just sit in my car. Okay? No need to get all worked up right now.
But
You're just sitting in the backseat.
Yeah, you're not
I
under
feel like
arrest.
now I feel like I'm under arrest.
You're not under
Are you in
arrest.
handcuffs yet?
No.
If I want to put you there, we would be there. Okay? All right.
Yep.
Have a seat in my car.
Yep.
Yes. His name is Sterling. He would sit down and he would tell you that I elbowed her on accident by turning around. He was sitting there.
31, we're okay. We have one detained. You can cancel checks for now.
Sterling.
Yeah.
Mind if you talk to this deputy?
Hey, brother, let me talk to you real quick.
Yeah.
Do you know a guy named Kevin?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know his girlfriend, Emily?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Were you with them today?
So, obviously, off and on.
Okay.
They've obviously had some issues
Uh-huh.
working towards separation.
Yeah.
You know how it goes.
Yeah.
He said that he, hit the elbow. Now, I was over here, actually, sleeping when that happened.
So you were not in the room?
Not in the room.
Okay, that's
But
all we needed to know.
I can tell you that as soon as I came in before the EMT, that she acted totally different. I'm just going to be more erratic than the average, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it was not her normal. Kevin is like, to me, one of the nicest. And so I don't see him doing anything ever on purpose. So
Okay.
that's all I can really tell you.
All right.
Okay?
All right, I appreciate it.
No problem,
Thank
guys.
you.
Talking with
No
us.
problem.
Take care.
Yeah, but you wasn't there, so that's not a witness. Like, you wasn't there, so it's still her word against yours. And she has injuries, you don't. You going to jail.
All right, brother. You're going to spin away from me, put your hands behind your back.
Why? What happened?
Kevin wasn't there.
Sterling was there.
Or Sterling, well, I just talked to him. He said he wasn't there.
He was there.
Well, he says he wasn't. So turn around.
Come on, man.
Okay. So you want to do it like this?
No.
I'm telling you for the last time nicely.
Come.
Turn around, put your hands behind.
Can y'all get Sterling?
Okay. Okay.
Can y'all go talk to him again?
Turn away.
I have, look, I have video evidence of her putting her hands on me.
Quit fighting.
They gonna get you together.
I'm
Here
not
we go.
doing anything.
you are.
No, I'm not.
See this, brother? See this
You're
right
gonna
here?
get tased.
You see that? Stand up.
I'm not doing anything. I have a heart condition, bro.
Yeah, so that, hey, you better act right. You better act accordingly. You feel me? Because they about to get you together. They gonna get you together. Yeah.
Dude, stop. I have a fucking heart condition. Stop. I'm not doing anything.
In your elbow.
I am.
Stand up.
No. I didn't fucking hit her. Ah!
In the car.
I'll say I'll get the other side.
Car. In your legs. Why are you doing this? In the car. Get in the car.
Ah, my fucking arm!
They gonna get you right, boy.
My fucking arm!
In your
My
leg.
arm!
In your
Why
leg.
are you hitting me, bitch? Ah! My
You
arm!
wanna play games? Okay, we gonna play games then. We gonna play a game.
Ah! Stop!
This game called Act Right, boy. Oh my God. They gonna get you together, boy. Hold on. Let him get up in there. Hold on. Oh yeah, a little pain compliant. Oh yeah. Oh.
Shut up. Camera out there. I don't know what this is.
My fucking arm! My arm! Ah!
Camera in there.
My arm!
This.
My heart!
Get up, dude.
Dude, I can't fucking breathe! I can't fucking breathe! Hold on, no!
Here we go. You can't breathe now.
My heart! My heart! I'm gonna do my heart! Hold on, my ah! I'm stuck!
Sit up. Sit up.
My heart, guys! Guys, my heart!
Sit
My
up.
fucking heart! Ah! My heart!
Sit up, dude.
Dude, I can't fucking breathe! I can't fucking breathe!
Sit
Hold on, dude!
Move your foot. Move your leg.
They gonna get you right, boy.
Bending your leg.
Why are you fucking
Put your leg
Wait
in.
till you get to the county, boy. They gonna get you together.
Put your leg in.
I got his
Oh,
foot.
Put your leg
boy.
in.
I got his
Kick it in.
foot.
Put your leg in. Kick it in.
Keep hitting me. Y'all going down.
We're not hitting.
Y'all going down.
We're not hitting you.
Yeah, you
But
are.
you're resisting.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Dude. Where the fuck's my camera?
There's two right
Two
here.
back here.
Hey, misdemeanor DD.
Mine's in system recovery. Yeah, so is mine.
Misdemeanor domestic.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll call Vitality.
They got his ass right. I thought he couldn't breathe. Breathing just fine now.
So what happened? I blacked out, dude.
Yeah, you're going to jail. You're going to go for M1 domestic violence and resisting arrest and obstruction of official business.
I'll be out. I'll be out. Just gotta get my brother.
Kevin was charged with domestic violence, obstructing official business, and resisting arrest. The domestic violence and obstructing charge were dismissed after the complainant failed to show up to court. But he pled guilty to the remaining charge and was sentenced to 90 days in jail, with 74 days suspended and 16 days credited for time served. At Blue Line Body Cam...
Wow. Man. Act like an ass clown, get no time. You know, he scared his old lady to not showing up or whatever, so that's gonna drop. That's regular DV type stuff, you know what I mean? But damn, they got his ass together though. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. I get up, cop, man. They did a good job, man. 5 out of 5, man. That was tough dealing with him and trying to get him in that car and everything, man. 5 out of 5, man. He wanna act like an ass clown. That's what that ass clown gets. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.